Well, the Gresham Hotel is an iconic building in O'Connell Street. When we got to inquiry, we looked for the best system of cleaning, most suitable for the hotel, and that's when we partnered with Thomann-Hanry.
So the Façade gommage system is based around an aerial platform. The cabin on the platform is essentially a huge extraction unit. We clean the building with very fine powders, which are much akin to mineral talc. They're very light but sharp to cut through the dirt, but they don't affect the stone in any way. So the dust is captured by a water curtain in the back of the cabin. At ground level we filter it out and we recycle the powder, and the water runs around in a loop.
The biggest aspect which we really like being a heritage contractor is that it's very gentle on the stone. The second aspect which we really like is that businesses are not affected. There was no scaffold up, windows were kept clear, and the guests were able to use the rooms as per normal. We had a tunnel which allowed people to walk under the machine, and the people are protected walking underneath it. Business hasn't been affected at all. Façade gommage would be ideal for any heritage building that needs to be cleaned. It's also ideal for any location that's hard to access, or any location that business would be affected by unsightly scaffold. So Façade gommage would work really well on any natural stone. So whether it be Portland, limestone, works particularly well on granite. And I think it makes O'Connell Street proud that you have this old building and you have the Lewis running past it now, and it's been restored to its former glory.